In the past, those who were in need of payday loans had to get them through traditional lenders, or take the risk of going directly to the lender who had the highest interest rate. However, this is no longer the case with the advent of online payday loans. Now, you can borrow as much money as you want and for as long as you want, all from your home computer. The first step to successfully getting a loan for bad credit is to identify what kind of lender will offer you a loan at a higher interest rate than you would normally have to pay. The internet has made this easier than ever. You can find a lender by doing a search for them in any search engine. Your next step is to locate lenders who are willing to offer you these bad credit payday loans online. There are online lenders who specialize in providing cash advances to people who are in need, but not necessarily bad credit. You can find these lenders by doing a search for them on the internet. The internet has made it very easy to do a quick online search and find lenders who will offer you cash advance loans for people with poor credit. The online lenders will usually have a website which allows you to fill out an application form and be approved before even knowing you have bad credit. Once you have been approved, you can then proceed to a payday advance lender who will approve you for the amount you need. For those with bad credit who are planning to get online payday loans, there are a few tips that should be considered. First, before you begin your search for the lender, make sure you have a copy of your personal information ready. You should also know the kinds of jobs you have, your income and your marital status. A lender will likely check your income against your employer to determine if you can afford the loan you need. It's also a good idea to include in your application that you need to be at work for at least 7 days before you apply. This is to give the lender time to verify that you can really afford the loan. Next, you should include any other personal information on your application that may be asked of you, such as your social security number. The lender will have access to this information, so you will want to be honest and upfront with it. Finally, once you have been approved for an online payday loan, you will want to sign up for your payment cycle with the lender. You will need to start with your first payday loan, which will happen online or by mail. These online payday loans, however, are short-term loans. It is important to remember that you will need to repay the money you borrowed within 30 days of being approved. Bad credit payday loans are still available today, but they are now available to those who are truly in need. They are only available for people who do not have a savings account, or the funds to keep them open for a set period of time.